Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to apply for IS6FX VPS on your macOS. To begin, visit our website and click on Login. Enter your email address, followed by your password. Click on Login. Once you're logged in, find the menu on the top right of the screen. It should display your name. Click on VPS Application. Please read the checklist before applying. If you have multiple accounts, please choose one. Finally, click on Apply for VPS. We will prepare for the VPS as soon as we confirm your application request. Congratulations! You have applied for IS6FX VPS. Thank you for choosing IS6FX, and happy trading!